It's time to do some multiplying fractions, and it really is as simple as it says. You just multiply the top numbers, the numerators of the fractions, and multiply the bottom numbers, the denominators of the fractions. It can't get any easier. Let's look at these. Top numbers are 1 times 2, which is 2. Bottom numbers are 3 times 5, which is 15. Even I can do it. Okay, let's have a look at the second one. Numerators are 3 times 1, which is 3. Denominators are 7 times 2, which is 14. How easy is that? Do check to see if they simplify. Fortunately for us, none of these do right now. But what about these two cheeky ones at the bottom? Now, these are mixed numbers. They are a combination of a whole number and a fraction. And my recommendation is to first change them to improper fractions. I'm sure you've practiced this in class. Let's have a look how we change them to improper fractions. You get the denominator and multiply it by the whole number. 5 times 2 is 10. And then add on the numerator. So 2 whole ones and 1/5 is 11 fifths. 5 times 2 is 10. Add the 1 is 11. 11 fifths. How many thirds is 3 whole ones and 2 thirds? Well, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11 again. So that's 11 thirds. Now we do the multiplication. 11 times 11 is 121, and 5 times 3 is 15. Now that is correct. That's called an improper fraction. We'd like to, though, convert it back into a mixed number. So what you have to do is see how many of these denominators will go into the numerator. How many 15s will go into 121? And that's correct. You all know your 15s times table, and it is 8. There are 8 whole ones there. Now, 8 15s is 120, but I have 121 of them, so there is 1 left. So the final answer for 2 1/5 times 3 2/3 is 8 whole ones and 1/15. Lots of practice needed there.